A complete financial reset is about to take place. The greatest wealth transfer in history is about to take place. And if you're bullish on Solana and what Solana has accomplished this cycle, achieving all the way up to 150 billion market cap, 200 billion market cap, you should definitely be bullish on Monad. The Solana killer. And I'm not the one saying it. That's what TradFi says on CNBC, right? That's what TradFi said it was. So I'm just listening to the people that are more, wealthier than me and more successful than I ever have been, and probably ever will be. Those people have tens of millions of dollars, right? But they're saying this is the Solana killer. So I'm gonna listen to TradFi. I'm gonna listen to the people that have, way more money than I have, way smarter decisions, way better investments, right? And more than likely, like I said, way better investors, right? I'm gonna listen to them, and they think Monad is the Solana killer, so I'm gonna have exposure to the potential Solana killer. Right now, Monad's sitting at just under 19 cent, 205.3 million market cap, circulated market cap, 1.89 billion in FDV, and I think, like I said, it's a great time to DCA into Monad. You guys see Bitcoin is at 70K right now. Look at that. Bitcoin is under 70K, 69K right now. Monad is not budging in price. It did not budge. The strength here is insane. Monad did not budge. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best altcoins to have a bag of. Why? Because it's new. It's the first Coinbase ICO. There's no bag holders from previous cycles, right? It has so much potential for upside with its 10,000 transactions per second. The only other project that has the speed and efficiency of Monad is Solana. But Monad came out recently, right? Monad came out recently to trump Solana's technology. So that's why they're calling it the Solana killer. So that means 50 billion market cap for Monad, where Solana is at right now, is possible in the future. It is. But it's your time frame, though. How long you're willing to hold this project for, right? How long are you willing to, be invested in Monad, right? And like I said, guys, taking a look at the X real quick. But before I do, like I said, I think 100,000 Monad is the way to go. Dollar cost average in, because you never know what could happen. There could be more drops in price, right? If Bitcoin, because it's under 70K right now, Monad is holding so strong. You would never think that Bitcoin is under 70K. But Bitcoin could drop to 60 to 50K, maybe even 40K. And if that happens, you may see Monad fall down to 1 cent, if not 0.008. Right? So dollar cost average. Don't buy in your full bag right away. Take your time. Dollar cost averaging 200 to 300 bucks here. 3 to 5 days later, you do that again, right? That's the best decision in my opinion. Just be patient, right? And whenever we do enter the next cycle, it's going to be a big cycle. I really think it's going to be the biggest, right? Because next cycle is going to have QE, mass adoption, and the liquidity floodgates will be open, right? So we take a look at X. The hackathon is live for Monad. On-chain Pokemon cards are live on Loot Go Official, right? Constant building. D-apps are being built. They also have memes for our new profile picture. Red pill or blue pill, I'm gonna go red pill. Look at that. I didn't even know X could do that, where you have like the picture attached to the poll. That's bullish, right? But the Monad team also has good funny, tweets as well, which is great. That's what you like to see. They're keeping the crypto, they're keeping the investment, they have the tech side, right? They have some of the best, if not the best tech, some of the best tech in the space. They also have, entertainment as well, right? That's what you like to see, man. On-chain FX is coming to Monad through Mento Labs. Mento Labs is bringing FX on-chain with providing institutions with access to on-chain FX at real-world rates. Completely bullish stuff. They recently did an X Space with Monad devs talking about the hackathon, when you're enter an agentic hackathon, but the agent you ship takes your job. Right? So look at this. Just announced our support for NAD.fund Multiverse Hackathon on Moltbook, and a treat for agents. Agents can claim Lidamon from the faucet by replying with their Monad address to the Moltbook post. It's time to bring Molt bots into the multiverse. More details below, right? So just this is what I'm talking about. So They're really focusing multiverse hackathon, 2-week hackathon with 200K in prizes, focusing on AI agents, right? It's just smart to do that, right? AI is the future. Onboard devs with the hackathons, 200K in prizes. I'm sure there's a dev out there that is struggling who's gonna make the next poly market for AI, right? For AI agents. And if he does that on Monad, that's gonna be great for Monad, right? And that's why I'm bullish on the project, man. The team knows what they're doing. They're focusing on the fundamentals. Mercurial is now supported on Monad. It supports 12 million plus KYC users and processed over 2 billion in volume to date, enhancing payment use case growth with leading Web3 companies. So just like this is what I'm talking about. Mercurial onboarding 12 million plus KYC users. Now they're going to be able to do that. Those 12 million users will have access to Monad, right? This is what you want to see, man. This is why I'm bullish on the project, and I think this project has a ton of upside. Like I said, guys, 10 cents to $1 is very possible here, in my opinion, for Monad. And if you're going to just be conservative, 20 to 30 cents. In my opinion, nothing is guaranteed in this space, but 20 to 30 cents is conservative. But I do think Monad will achieve that for sure, man. I really think that is possible for Monad. So Monad in a fantastic spot. If you're bullish on Solana, you think you miss Solana, and you're like, man, I miss Solana at $8. Isn't there another project that could pull off a move like that? Monad is, in my opinion. Not just my opinion, TradFi's opinion, okay? CNBC, we think this is the Solana killer. We bought it at 2 cents. That's what TradFi said on CNBC, okay? So, as always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank y'all so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.